Let's consider the question that we have on the board. We are asked to find the derivative of the function with respect to x. That is, we are asked to differentiate y with respect to x. In finding the derivative of an implicit function, anytime you differentiate y in this function, you are going to multiply the derivative of y with respect to x. Are you getting it? That is the rule. Whenever you differentiate y in this function, you are going to multiply that derivative by the y all over the x. Do you get it? And the simple reason is because it is y that we are differentiating with respect to x. Do you get it? Okay, now let's start with this. We have xy equals to 1. To find the derivative of this function, because the sign between x and y is a product sign, so we're going to make use of the product rule of differential calculus. Do you understand? So according to product rule of differential calculus, we're going to keep the first part, we're going to keep it constant, which is x. Then we're going to differentiate y. If you find the derivative of y, you're going to have 1. And because I told you, whenever you differentiate y in this function, you're going to multiply that derivative by dy dx. So I'm going to have 1 times dy dx. So I'm going to have, that is dy over dx. Are you getting it? Plus, now keep the second part, keep y constant, differentiate x, you're going to have 1. So 1 times y is what? Y. This will be equals to 0, because if you differentiate 1, you're going to have 0. If you didn't understand, listen again. To differentiate this function, we're going to use product rule. According to product rule of differential calculus, I'm going to keep the first part, which is x, I'm going to keep it constant, and I'm going to differentiate y. Whenever you differentiate y in this function, you're going to have you're going to multiply that derivative by dy dx. Are you getting it? Now, differentiate y, you're going to have 1, right? And because you are going to multiply that 1, you're going to multiply it by dy dx. 1 times dy dx is what? Dy dx. So multiply that dy dx by x, you're going to have this. Now you're going to keep the second part, which is y, you're going to keep it constant and differentiate x. If you differentiate x, you're going to have 1. 1 times y is what? Y. And if you differentiate 1, you're going to have 0. So I'm going to have 0 here. Do you get it? Okay, now let us proceed. The goal is to find dy dx. So I'm going to take x, okay, x dy over dx is equals to, now take this y to the right hand side. I'm going to have negative y. So divide both by x, this over x, dy all over dx is equals to negative y all over x, which is the final answer. Okay, what of this? We have x cubed plus y cubed equals to 2. How do we find the derivative of this function? Well,
To watch the complete class, kindly click on the link in the description of this video or the comment section, okay? See you in the next class.